Okay, how to send the audio to your OBS through Voicemeeter. So when you go to Voicemeeter, you bring in the sound. So when you bring in the sound, you now select B1 or B2, depending on where. Let's choose B2, virtual B2. These are the two virtual outputs. You can send out the sound only two times in two different ways, in two different options. So we can use maybe B1 for our talkback system and B2 for OBS. A1 for your speakers, A1 to A3 for all your speaker outs, but B1 is just a virtual. You're still in the same system. It's not a physical output device. So when you click on B2 in your Voicemeeter, you now go over to OBS. In OBS, you now go to mic aux, your audio input option. You can actually go here. I click on properties. It shows you all the active audio devices, the devices that are active. You click so when you click on it, you see all the active outs you could have used. So I'm using this one currently directly from the sound card. But if you want to mix everything with your Voicemeeter, you now select, since we chose B2 as our mic aux one, we look for B2. This is B1 and this is B2. So when we click on B2 and we press OK, you see that our sound comes in, but this time around it's coming in not just into OBS straight, it comes in from the sound card itself if you want to output. So that is it, how to bring it audio into OBS. Next video is already waiting, don't miss it.